Today, we will repair a 1DIN 7-inch car MP5 player. The unit cannot power off normally. The problem is caused by a misaligned front frame and reset button. We will replace the front frame and reinstall the reset button. First, remove the screws on both sides of the unit. Carefully open the front panel. Disconnect the ribbon cable between the front panel and the main board. Remove the front panel assembly. Next, separate the screen from the plastic front frame. Carefully remove the front control board. Remove the damaged reset button. Install a new reset button. Make sure the button position is aligned correctly. Now replace the plastic front frame. Install the screen back into the new frame. Install the front control board. Mount the main board back into the unit. Secure the main board with screws. Reconnect the ribbon cable to the heatsink board. Make sure the ribbon cable is firmly connected. Close the unit and align the housings. Tighten the screws on both sides. Now we test the unit. Check the power button and screen response. The reset button works normally. The repair is complete.